Oh, when one cousin Jack meets another cousin Jack, going someplace or coming back, early in the morning or late at night, the greeting's a question and the question's, all right. And you know, the expected response is just the same. Oh, they might say, my handsome, or use a name, but all right's the answer. 'Tis always been so, down here in Cornwall, where'er you go. All right, fills the air. Oh, you could be suicidal, full of black despair, unable to see a glimmer of light. But being Cornish, hell, you're all right. For instance, see a cousin Jack who's had a few, bless his heart, is all he can do is get back home and back home late to be met by his missus with a look of hate. But he doesn't get flummoxed or filled with fright. No, before he falls down, he mutters, all right. Why, listen, I once awoke in intensive care, and scared I gazed at the others there, when a face I knew came into sight, and right away we were both, all right. Oh, I'm willing to bet, no, this ain't no jest, when a cousin Jack is laid to rest, before he's lowered out of sight, if you tapped on his box, you'd hear, all right. So to me, it just goes to show whate'er the plight the world is in, whatever might happen in the future, ours is bright, 'cause we're Cornish, my handsomes, and we're all right.